Welcome to another episode of HTML. What I'm going to do is teach you about how to add a video to your web page. And we're going to use YouTube. Find your YouTube video that you want to add. What I'm going to do is use this cute little video, Hungry Puppies, and we're going to add that to a web page. So what I want to do is I want to come over here and we want to use the embed options. With the embed options, there's a customize option. So you can click on the customize option. When you click on it, you're given several options. What we have is you can show a border, or you can play in HD, so you can have it automatically play in the HD version. And also you can choose a color. You want to pick a color that works well for your web page background. And by default it's going to 580 by 360, but I can choose 500 by 513 or 660, or I can make it a full, rather large on the page. I'm going to go the 873 by 525. Now your numbers in your dimensions might be slightly different depending on what the original video is. So you can, but basically you'll be given 4 different sizes, and I chose the largest. You just need to click once after embed, and the entire line is selected. Then you want to copy that. Control C or Apple C, depending on what operating system you're using, or you can go up to Edit Copy in your browser. Then what we do is we create our HTML page. You can use Notepad or TextEdit. TextEdit if you're in Apple. If you're using TextEdit, you want to make it plain text. Notepad, you're good to go. We're just going to do a real simple web page. We do HTML, arrow, HTML, arrow. And then we're going to do body, arrow, HTML, arrow, and arrow, body, arrow. And then I'm going to do Apple V or Control V, depending on your operating system, and it pastes all that code in there for me. And then I do arrow slash body arrow and arrow slash HTML arrow, and there you have a web page with a video on it. So I'm going to do File, Save. And the nice thing about TextEdit is you're not going to have any trouble making it HTML. With Notepad, you have to change the file type, otherwise it won't work. That's the downside to Notepad and the advantage to TextEdit on the other end of things. So I'm going to call it Hungry Dogs HTML. And then I click Save, and then in Apple it'll ask me if I want to use HTML, and I do. With Notepad you have to make sure it says all files, not text, before you save. There's my Hungry Dogs, hungrydogs.html. I double click on it, and there's my video. If you've done the other HTML videos, you'll know how to fancy up the page and add background color and all the different things. So if you haven't seen my other HTML tutorials, check them out and learn how to make your page complete.